Hey, I was watching a video today from an investment advisor that was bragging about getting a house done in 5 months. Think about that. The house sat there for 5 months before they got it done. They were really happy with what it looked like, but my goodness, 5 months? We're on one here, and you can watch the video of this update on the next one, buy this one. But this one's all been painted, flooring, lights, everything. It's been done, and we're on our 3rd week here. We're going to be done in 4. 4 weeks, that's 1 month. That's 4 months less. So you got a quarter of a year we have on the other guy. Rehab is super important. And this one we're going to put, this one we've had for about 3 years. We're going to sell it. But this one needs a little bit more, so that's why it's taking 4 weeks. Most time to take 3 weeks. So again, if you're looking at rehab, purchase, management, leasing, selling, property management, construction, all that, you want it all in one, you got to come to me. I got all of that. So we control all of it. We have people that's worked for us for over 10 years. Give me a call. I'm Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty. We can get it done. And if I had 5 months, I don't know how they'd keep that in budget. Give me a call, 216-703-5740, or WhatsApp me, and please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Have a great day.